Every day you go on social media, any type of social media, you're always there from morning up to evening. You even go ahead and put data, you look for data bundles. Always. What do you do there? Then when you hear that there is money on social media, there is money with your smartphone, you say, I can't manage that. I don't have time. But almost out of 24 hours, you are on social media for almost 18 hours. Or you pick your phone and check your phone almost 18 hours, at least 18 hours out of 24. So guys, even when you wake up in the morning, what deal do you have with that phone? Please just answer me. What do you deal with your phone? How come that your attention is always on your phone? So guys, this is a reminder. It's another day to remind you that your smartphone, your ATM, if you want to make money, if you want to withdraw money, if you want to feel comfortable, if you want to make a brand, come like the way you are, learn how to make use of your smartphone. Before that, good morning, welcome to this mind-blowing video. It's a very short video at the comfort of my kitchen. You can hear I'm cooking, you can hear the machine is moving, but it cannot make me fail to make money. No, it can't fail to make me money. So let me give you a simple strategy. But before that, you guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm only giving you less than 10% of the knowledge. In other words, this is an educational video. Don't be there and be like, okay, Immaculate has told us we can make money. I'll be a millionaire tomorrow if I use money. You've been using the phone. How much money have you made? So let me give you a small tip. I want you to know that you are content. You are full of content. And content is in different ways. You yourself, your content. You have life experience. There's activities you do every day. There's something you want to preach about. There's something you hate. And there's something you love. That is content. And also, there are things you do. Like now I'm cooking. I'm in the kitchen. Do you know that can be content? Check the next video, especially on Facebook. You're going to see what I've prepared. It's funny. I prepared maize with chicken. Have you ever done that? So that is content for me. There are some people who wants to tell the world about Jesus Christ. There are some people who want to show how the generation is running out of manners. So making money has no excuse. Now, tip number one, you've already known it. You are content yourself. You have content. If you're a rumor monger, already that is content because your content is for running their mouth. If you're an analyst, you can analyze politics, that is good. If you can shout on top of your head, it's your content. So already you have content within you. Two, you have a smartphone that you sit with the whole day. And you're always there. You're all people in people's lives. You're in people's everywhere. Please, you can also decide to give out something. So my question is, how many have you consumed so far as you watch this video? How many videos have you scrolled? Posts have you scrolled? That means you're a consumer. Do you want to be also among the producer? Yes, you can start right away. That is for people who have not yet started. Not for people who have started. We have billions of posts. People have known that there is money they are posting. And you also came yesterday, you said, I also want to be among them. Do these billions have at least 0.0 point something % of your posts? Do they have? Or you put one post and left and you're waiting to have money? Really? No. You need to make it a project. You need to make it a business. You need to make it a habit. You need to make it to know this is it. I want it. I want the money from what I already have. You don't need to go and buy an expensive gadget. Yes, that's it. So you guys, I want you to ponder on this. Come back and let me know. What can make you fail to make money on a smartphone? Let me ask you, what? Is there any